Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Taufansyah. My name 2023 So uh, in here I'm come from group 5 of DTI, and is my friend later the presentation slide 1 and 2, uh, me the one presentation. 2 is 3 until 4 is Haikal, 5 and 6 is Rafa, 7 until 9 is Abid. So I will introduce my friend. The first is Muhammad Haikal Azka, that the name 2023 0140 242. So the third, my friend, is Muhammad Rafa Pramudhita, 2023 0140 210. So the last, my friend, Muhammad Abid Yasir, 2023 0140 237. So I will presentation about introduction to personal computer hardware. Today we will delve into the fundamental component of a personal computer, exploring its hardware intricacies. Additionally, we'll highlight the significance of electrical safety when dealing with computer system. A personal comprises several essential hardware components. These include the central processing unit of CPU, motherboard, memory of RAM, storage device such as hard disk drive (HDD) or solid state device or is SSD. Graphics processing units of our GPU. So there is power supply unit or PSU, and the last various peripheral device like keyboard, mouse, and monitor. So uh, I will tell about the CPU, CPU or central processing unit. The CPU acts as the brain of the computer, exciting instruction from software program. It performs arithmetic, logic, control, and input out or output operation serviced by instruction in the software. So the second is motherboard. The motherboard is a circuit board connecting all hardware component. It contains the CPU socket, memory slot, expansion slot, and interface for peripheral. It facilitates communication between different parts of the computer. So the third, there is a memory or RAM. RAM is random access memory. Temporarily stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. It's volatile memory, meaning it lost its content when the power is turned off. So the four, storage device. Storage device like hard disk device or HDD and solid state drives or is SSD store that persistently. HDD use spinning disks while SSD store data on flash memory, providing faster read and write speeds. So the fifth is GPU. GPU or graphics processing unit. The GPU handles rendering image, videos, and animation. It's essential for gaming, video editing, and graphical text, improving overall visual performance. So the sixth is PSU. P is U or power supply unit. The P is PSU convert electrical power from an outlet into usable power to the computer component. It provides proper voltage and current to ensure the stable operation of the PC. So the last is peripheral device like peripheral like keyboard or mouse or monitor allow user to interact with the computer. They enable input, output, and data storage. So this electrical safety, electrical safety have certain power requirement as AC adapter are manufactured for specific laptops. Exchanging AC adapter with a different type of laptop or device may cause damage to both the AC adapter and the laptop. Some printer pads, such as power supplies, contain high voltage. Check, check the printer manual for the location of high voltage component. Electrical safety. Understanding electrical safety is crucial when working with computer hardware. Always follow safety guidelines to prevent accidents. First is turn off and unplug the computer before performing any hardware change. 2. Use grounded power outlet and surge protector to safeguard against power surges. 3. Avoid water or liquid contact with computer component. And the last 4. Handle component with care to prevent electrical discharge ESD damage. So that electrical safety when you're working with computer hardware. So the conclusion is, in summary, a personal computer comprises various hardware components that work together to process data. Understanding these components and practicing electrical safety measure is vital for the efficient and safe operation for computer. And the last, thank you for nice attention. I hope this presentation is I hope this has provide you with valuable insights into personal computer hardware and the importance of electrical safety. If you that's a presentation for me and will be continue if with my friend is Muhammad Haikal Azka for slide 3 and 4. Thank you.
Electrical safety, the connector stone. Sorry. Electrical safety, the cornerstone. Our journey begins with the backdrop of digital safety and ethical safety. Explore the intricacies of properly grounded outlets surges protector and the role of circuit breakers. Witness how this foundational practice create a secure environment shielding both users and electronic components from potential electrical hazard. ESD safety, unmasking the silent intruder. As we navigate the digital landscape, we encounter the silent intruder direct electrostatic discharge (ESD). Dive into the origins of ESD, understanding its potential impact on delicate electronic components. Explore the preventive measures from anti-static wrist strap to ESD mats that act the silent guardians protecting against this unseen threat. The symbiosis of electrical and ESD safety in the intricate dance of electrical and ESD safety. Discover how these realms converge within computer casings. Explore the significance of grounded casings, conductive material, and protective coatings. Witness how this collaborative effort not only ensure users' safety but also shields internal components from potential ethical hazard and ESD threats. Electrical and ESD safety, electrostatic discharge ESD can occur when there is a buildup of an electric charge of its size on a surface, which comes into contact with another differently charged surface. ESD can cause damage to computer equipment if not discharged properly. At least 300 volts of static electric must bow up before a person can feel ESD. Follow this recommendation to help prevent ESD damage. Keep all components in anti-static bags until you are ready to install them. Use grounded mats on workbench as a ground floor mats in work areas as use anti-static wrist strap when working inside computers. Computer casings beyond aesthetic appeal. Transitioning to the protective cells of our digital companion, let's unravel the multifaceted role of computer casings, explore how casings, often appreciated for their aesthetic, serve as the first line of defense against external elements, physical damage, and crucially ethical hazard. Material and design, crafting digital armor, uncover the science behind casing construction as we explore materials such as steel, aluminum, and advanced polymer. Learn how these materials are chosen and engineered to dissipate heat, reduce electromagnetic interference, and contribute to the overall safety and performance of the electronic components within. Explore how to full design, including optimal airflow and cable management, enhance both user experience and system safety. DIY builds and safety protocols for the tech-savvy enthusiasts venturing into DIY computer builds. Join me in exploring the safety protocols and best practice to ensure a secure assembly from proper grounding techniques to the meticulous installation of components within the casing. Understand how every step contributes to the overall safety and performance of the system. Futures frontiers, innovation in safety. As we gaze into the future, explore the ongoing innovation in electrical and safety from advanced in casing materials to intelligent safety features. Witness how technology is continually evolving to provide enhanced protection for our digital companions. The case hosts the internal component such as the power supply, motherboard, central processing unit (CPU), memory, disk drive, and assorted data cards. The term form factor refers to the physical design and look of the case. Common desktop computers are available in form factors including horizontal case, full size tower, compact tower, all in one. Nggak bisa, weh.
Power supply energizing the symphony. Our journey commences with power supply, the conductor of the digital symphony. Delve into the basics, understanding how power supply deliver the necessary voltage and current to our electronic device. Explore the different types from linear to switch mode and witness how they cater to the diverse energy needs of our gadgets. Type of power supply. Not all power supply are created equal. Journey with me as we unravel the nuances of linear and switch mode power supply. Understand their unique characteristic and application, shaping the way energy is distributed and utilized in device ranging from smartphone to industrial machinery. Voltage regulation, maintaining harmony. Step into the world of voltage regulation, where power supply will play the role of vigilant conductor. Explore how to ensure a stable voltage output, preventing flu- fluctuation that could compromise the health of sensitive electronic components. Witness the dance of feedback loops and voltage regulator in maintaining electronic harmony. Energy efficiency, sustaining the symphony in an era focus on sustainability. Our exploration continue into the realm of energy efficiency. Discover the ingenious techniques employed by power supply to minimize energy loss and contribute to a greener electronic ecosystem. From power factor correction to advanced energy management, witness the evolution toward a more sustainable digital landscape. Power supply protection. As we progress, recognize the unsung heroes within power supply protection against potential harm. Explore overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit safeguards. Witnessing how this future act as guardian, ensuring the longevity and reliability of our electronic device. Computer use a power supply to convert AC power into a lower voltage DC power required by internal components. Desktop computer power supply form factor include advanced technology, origi- uh, original power supply for legacy computer system, at extended or ATX update version of the ATX 12 volt, the most common power supply on the market today. APS 12 volt originally designed for network server, but is now commonly used in high-end desktop models. Next, memory. RAM stand for random access memory. It is a type of computer memory that is used to store data and machine code currently being used or process process processed by a computer CPU. Yeah, unlike storage devices such as hard drives or SSD, RAM provides fast access to data that the CPU needs to perform tasks. Second, ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is type of memory in a computer or electronic device that stores permanent permanent instructions permanent instruction that the system sorry, type ROM stand for read-only memory. It is type of memory in a computer or electronic device that stores permanent instruction that the system use during booting up or starting process. Unlike RAM, ROM retains its data even with the even when the computer is powered off. Memory sto- Memory storing the symphony notes. Dive into the world of memory, the digital repository that store the symphony of data. Explore the various types for volatile RAM to non-volatile RAM and understand their crucial role in storing and retrieving information. Witness how memory forms the backbone of every digital operation. Types Types of memory and their application. Memory, much like the instrument in an orchestra, come in diverse form. Join me as we explore dynamic RAM, static RAM, SRAM, and flash memory, uncovering their application in computer, smartphone, and embedded system. See how this memory types shape the way data is stored and accessed. Advancement in memory technology. Our journey concludes with a glimpse glimpse into the future of memory technology. Explore the latest advancement from high-speed DDR4 RAM to edge edge non-volatile memory solution. Witness how innovation in memory technology is pushing the boundaries of storage, ensuring that the symphony of data continues to evolve and enrich our digital experience.
Okay, everyone. Next, we explain in this PowerPoint. We want to explain about radio ports and cables. In this PowerPoint, we will discuss about uh, computer ports and cables, and computer of a computer's component. Let's embark on this breathtaking journey to understand two core components that make us computer assemblies. The first, video ports and cables. In this PowerPoint, we can see the first layer HDMI or High Definition Multimedia Interface. The HDMI is one of the most common video interaction ports on modern devices. And the second, layer DisplayPort. In here, DisplayPort is another digital video interface commonly used to connect computer to monitors or displays. Third, there are VGI, or Video Graphic Array. Video Graphic Array is an older analog video standard that was once prevalent but is gradually being replaced. And they are DVI, or Digital Visual Interface. DVI is a digital video interface that comes in several variants including DVI-D or digital and or DVI-I or integrated, analog and digital, and DVI-A or analog. The cable acts as a bridge, transferring data or power between device and the computer. They commonly differs from USB cable or HDMI cable or VGA cable or another cables. The type of cable used corresponding to the port of connection to, and using seamless communication and functionality between devices. Next, on the next PowerPoint, we will discuss about other parts of the PC. In here, we can other part of PC they are motherboard, storage device, graphic processing unit or GPU, and PSU or power supply unit, cooling system, and peripheral device. Moving on the fundamental components of a computer. A typical computer components to the central processing unit or CPU, motherboard, random access or RAM, storage device, GPU, and other. They are different between one specification and other specification. The CPU acts as the brain, processing instructions and performing calculations. The motherboard serves as a central hub, connecting all components, while RAM provides quick access memory for run programs. Storage devices hold data permanently or temporarily. GPUs exchange graphic performance for gaming or referencing purpose. The PSU ensures steady power supply to all components, and cooling system prevent overheating, ensure optimal performance. In conclusion, the electrical network of computers, ports and cables, combined with the assembly components, form the backbone of our digital world. Understanding these elements not only enhance our knowledge but also empowers us to troubleshoot, ensure, and optimize our computing experience. They are about discuss part of the computer. In order that they are cooling system. Cooling system, the function of cooling system is cooling of the PC. If they are overheating, the cooling system will working. The cooling system work in the on the PC to remove our dubs, or we can cooling down the temperature of the PC. Next, And in here, there are peripheral device. Peripheral device is a network device or another device out of computer. Peripheral device, as an example, is router or access point or LAN network. In here, the computer can connect to the internet via peripheral device. To connect For connect to the computer, for connect to the internet, we need internet from access point or from router. In there, in that we can see the computer can connect to the internet using peripheral device. And that, thank you for joining me for the exploring into the world of computer hardware. If Thank you for joining me to the exploration into the world of computer hardware. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask question in the comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. In here, we discuss about computer to the next journey in the hardware and many of hardware here to develop to more modernization. The presentation for me. Thank you to join on our presentation. This is question for us. We are sorry if there are necessary more or less. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.